Tools is the first value comparison site. In today's video, we have the Sealey Professional Glue Gun. Links in the description below. Let's get into today's video. Ready to use in less than 5 minutes, once fully heated, mains cable can be unplugged from body for short periods of cordless use. Composite housing with soft grip for added comfort. An on and off switch and trigger feed control, suitable for 11x100mm glue sticks. 2 glue sticks can be loaded at once. Features magnets in handle base for adhering to metal stand when not in use. The specifications include the following. The model number is AK2921. The motor power is 450 watts. It has a net weight of 0.1 kg. It has a supply voltage of 230. It has a trigger feed mechanism. The glue stick diameter is 11mm. The low to high temperature is 100 degrees to 200 degrees. The plug type is UK 13A. And the wattage is 125. Founded in 1978, Sealey is known internationally as the leading brand of professional tools and workshop equipment. The Sealey range of tools and equipment is designed very much with the professional user in mind. Sealey's core brand includes Sealey, and Premier, representing good, better and best respectively. Whichever level you choose, quality assurance is always guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more products on Tools.